have no words.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Cook with Passion. Well, today we will prepare a dish, a fish dish, a risotto with shrimps. Very tasty and very fast to do. And now we will show you what you need to cook this dish. Well,
yes. Let's do
let's
it!
start. Don't forget to subscribe if you like our video.
Turn on the notification bell. Well, for the risotto, for this dish, we need to make a soup to cook the rice. So, here we got the ingredients for the soup. We need a carrot, onion, celery, and a shrimp. The skin of the shrimp, only the skin, the hard part. I think it's called carpes. Okay, then for the risotto, we need the meat of the shrimp, virgin olive oil, salt, and a little bit of parsley. We also need a zest of a lemon, and of course, white wine. It can be a little bit sweet. Let's go and cook together. Go.
Well, first step, we peel and keep all the carapace or skin from the shrimp. Then we use it for our soup, for our tasty soup.
Yes.
Okay? Well. So next step, we have to take out the guts from the shrimps like this. They have to be clean. We cut them here on their back side.
Go.
So then we cut an onion, a little one, in little pieces.
Go.
Schön ruhig, ja. Okay. So we put a little bit of virgin oil in the pan and add the onion and the carrots, and we fry them. While the onion and the carrots are cooking, we peel another onion and we chop it for the rice. So after frying onion and carrot, you add water, about 4 cups of water, and
4 teacups.
You put all the skin, the carapace and the heads from the shrimp in it. Then you cut some celery and you put it in the soup. You let it cook for about half an hour, so the soup will get very tasty, and we cook it by close pan. After 20 minutes, half an hour, we turn up the fire and we have to filter the soup. Okay?
Go.
So you put in the filter paper and then you filter the... I don't have this paper, so I do it just like this. And you press a little bit so all this, the juice will run out. So, next we have to salt the soup.
Of course.
Let's try if there is enough salt. Very good.
Perfect. Go.
Okay, now we need 1 cup for, like this, 1 cup of rice. Then we fry the onion. Just one onion is enough. We fried in virgin olive oil. When the onion gets brown or not gold, you add the rice, and you have to toast the rice for some seconds. So now we add the rice and we toast it.
Okay, now the rice is toasted and we can add half glass of wine, white wine. There. When the alcohol has evaporated, we can add soup, and you always have to keep mixing the rice if you don't want it to get it burned.
Okay.
There we go.
And you add every time the rice
Gets dry.
Too dry, yes.
While the rice is cooking, we're gonna peel the lemon with a peeler. And now we're gonna chop the zest.
So usually when we cook dishes with shrimps, we used to cut them on the middle. So now we add the cut shrimps, and they should cook just like 2 minutes, 1-2 minutes.
Go.
So after 2 minutes, you turn out the fire and you turn off the fire and you let rest a little bit the rice, like closing the pan, just 2-3 minutes.
All right.
And at last we add some ingredients. You have to take a little bit pepper, at least we add the lemon zest and a little bit of parsley. And if you want, you can add a little bit lemon juice and of course olive oil, virgin olive oil. Okay, Nicole, now like every time we have to do our test and check out if the rice is really delicious like we said.
All right, let's first put a little bit of virgin oil and lemon. Ooh, there we go. Perfect. Let's try with the fish. Okay. Hot. I have no words. It's delicious. Amazing. Try it out.
Well, dear friends, this was our video and I hope you enjoyed it, and we hope you have the chance to cook this special dish. And well, don't forget,
if you like the video, like it, subscribe and turn on the bell notification.
And always don't forget to cook with passion. And turn on. Always
Cook with passion.
Passion.
Turn on the notification bell.
Okay. You have the chance to, you have, I hope we have, we hope you have, I hope we have, we hope you have the chance to cook this this